Hi and welcome to Robens. In this film I'm going to give you some hints and some tips on how to pitch our dome style tents. The tent that I have here is the Lodge 3 from our trail collection, but what I show you also applies for the Lodge 2. Chosen the location for the inner tent, all we have to do is take the poles and assemble them. This is made very easy because the poles here are short corded from one side to the other, so it does make them very simple to put together. Once you've assembled the poles, all you need to do is just sit the centre hanging point face down in the middle and then attach each pole to the plastic cups in the corners. Four corners are placed. All we need to do is locate the hanging point on the inner tent here, and then we just simply lift that up into place and connect it to the hanging point at the top. Then all we need to do is just start clipping all the way around each pole. Next, we simply need to unfold the fly sheet, slide it over the top, and then attach it at the 4 points. Before connecting the 4 corners of the fly sheet to the inner tent, just be sure to attach the Velcro straps to the poles just to make sure that the fly sheet lines up correctly. Once you've connected the 4 corners of the fly sheet to the inner tent, the last thing to do is just pop the traverse pole through the sleeve at the top and connect at the ends. Next thing to do is just to peg down all the pegging points around the tent. We'll start on the 4 corners and then we'll position the porches and peg them out too. All that's left to do now is just take out the guy lines and peg them out into position. The final detail to remember is just to clip in the gear loft at the top of the inner tent. When it comes to packing the tent down, just make sure that if the tent's wet to dry it at your earliest convenience. What we'll do now is just show you how to fold this up to get it back into the bag. So that was our hints and tips for pitching and packing away our lodge tents. Thanks very much for watching.